Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on maintaining your HS01 hairdryer. Proper maintenance is crucial to extending the lifespan of your device and ensuring optimal performance. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, gather the necessary tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, some isopropyl alcohol, and a can of compressed air. These items will help you perform a thorough cleaning and inspection of your hairdryer. Begin by unplugging the hairdryer from the outlet. Safety first. Now, locate the screws on the back of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Set them aside in a safe place so they don't get lost. Once the screws are removed, gently pull off the back cover of the hairdryer. You may notice dust and lint buildup inside. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Using your can of compressed air, blow out any debris from the interior. Make sure to focus on the motor area and the vents where air is expelled. If you find stubborn dirt, lightly dampen your cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the surfaces. While you're at it, check the condition of the wires and connectors. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything concerning, it's best to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can assist you in ensuring your device remains safe to use. Next, let's address the filter. If your HS01 comes with a removable filter, take it out and wash it under warm water. Allow it to dry completely before reinserting it. This process is essential to prevent overheating and maintain airflow. After cleaning the interior, it's time to reassemble the hairdryer. Align the back cover properly and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic casing. Now that your hairdryer is clean and reassembled, plug it back in and test it. Listen for any unusual noises or irregular performance. If everything sounds good, congratulations! You've successfully maintained your HS01. If you find that your hairdryer still isn't functioning as expected, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can easily send it in for repairs without any hassle. No calls, no travel required. Just schedule a time that works for you. As a final tip, we recommend performing this maintenance every few months or whenever you notice a decline in performance. Regular upkeep will not only enhance the efficiency of your hairdryer but also prolong its life. Before you consider repairs, always ask for a quote before repair. This way, you can be fully informed about any costs involved before committing to the service. Thank you for following along our maintenance tutorial for the HS01 hairdryer. Your device will thank you for the care you've provided. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.